Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Shweta and in today's video we are going to dive into a inheritance and types of inheritance. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my upcoming tutorials. So let's get started. What is inheritance? Inheritance is a mechanism in Java that allows one class to inherit properties and behaviors from another class. So, in the benefit, where code is reusability, method overriding, and hierarchical classifications. The basic syntax is we are using one animal class is a superclass and its subclass is dog class. So we are using an extend keyword to inherit properties of superclass. Like the animal class is our parent class and the dog is our child class. So using extend keyword we are use a at method in the dog class. Also we are create an object of dog class and call this at animal at method in the dog object. So here is the use of extend keyword. So the main types of inheritance. So in the single inheritance we are use class A, class B. So in the class B extend class A using single inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. So the class C extend class B extend class A. So this is multi-level inheritance. In hierarchical we are use common class A and class B extend class A and also class C extend class A. So this is hierarchical. And hybrid is combination of two inheritance like A and B. So this is single inheritance and in the B we are extend C and D extend from B. So this is hierarchical inheritance. Okay. Single inheritance example. So in the single inheritance we are extend only one class, animal class, and method is in animal sound method and we are using a cat class, so the method is meow. Multi-level inheritance. So in the multi-level inheritance we are base class is animal. Okay, so extend animal in the both class. We are using a dog class extend. Okay, so animal class property also using in the both classes. So this is multi-level inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance example. So in this example we are create animal class and dog class extend animal and also cat class is extend animal. So the cat class is all the properties use of animal class and also the dog class is all property use of animal class. The real world example is like a vehicle class. So the main class our is a vehicle class and car, bike, truck is inherit common properties from vehicle. So we are extend this class and use the properties of vehicle class. Same second example is shape. So shape is the main class and the circle, square, triangle inherit from shape class. So the class use all attributes, methods, variables of shape class, main class or a super class. Specified object oriented designing by modeling real world hierarchies. Why Java does not support multiple inheritance? So the ambiguity problem. When two superclasses have method with the same name and the compiler cannot decide which method to inherit. So this is the problem. That's why we are not supporting multiple inheritance in Java. And other problem is diamond problem. This occur when a class inherit from two classes that have a common superclass. So this is the problem. That's why we are not using. So the interface and inheritance. We are not implemented multiple inheritance. So how we are achieve this? to using interface. Interfaces in Java define a control that classes can implement, providing a way to achieve multiple inheritance. A class can implement multiple inheritance, each defining method the class must provide. Interfaces cannot have a constructor. For example, here we are using interface. So the keyword is interface and animal. Same the interface pet. And the class of dog is implement of interface. We are using a class, then we are extend, and using interface we are using implement keyword to implement many interfaces but not implement many extend many classes. So with example. So here is the example. Class animal we are create, and here we are create a constructor same as a class name, and create one method make sound, and the second class is a derive class. Derive class is from animal class. Okay, so we are create a object of dog class, and we are achieve this animal class method. Okay, so the animal class method is make sound. We are create an object of dog class. We are extend of animal, so we are using methods of animal class. So here we are run the example. So the output. So here is the output. Okay. Same we are using an interface. So in interface, using interface keyword animal and in interface abstract method are there, that is not body part. Okay, so we are override of interface methods using implement a interface in our class. So we are implement animal and pet, and both interface methods we are override in the dog class. Same we are using a cat class and implement of animal class. And in our main method we are create an object of dog class, and both method we are using this object of dog class. Same we are using a cat class and access a parent class methods using interface. So here is the full example. Thank you so much for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Don't forget to check out the video description for the links to the code on GitHub and other related videos. Your support helps me create more amazing content for you. See you in the next video. Happy coding!